Hey everybody, Bryce here with Force Turbos. Wanted to show you a product today that we have on the shelf and that we build in-house. This is our BOV add-on assembly. These BOV add-on assemblies come in 2-inch or 2.5-inch applications. They work for anybody that has a UTV or a snowmobile that does not currently run a BOV. Our assembly also comes with constant tension clamps. Constant tension clamps are good because they have a spring on them to keep the constant tension, as well as they are double ringed with this center coupler that holds it very tight. Works for high boost applications as well. The assembly comes with a vacuum reference fitting and also 3 feet of boost line. We've developed these BOV add-on assemblies to use the TurboSmart BOV. This TurboSmart BOV functions very smooth. It blows off a lot of air very fast, giving you better throttle response, better control of the vehicle, and it will keep your turbo shaft speed spinning all the time while you're in and out of the throttle. They work very, very well. You can find them at forceturbos.com, and if you want to give us a call and have any questions, you can find us at 807-8046. Thank you. Talk to you later.